With modern advancements, college degrees do not have the same importance as they did in the 1970s to early 2000s. Here are a few high-paying jobs with a salary of over $70,000 annually, that require no degree. But some of them require around 6 months training for the certification and licensing. Remember, you have a short life. But in comparison, 4 years to 6 months for the same amount of paycheck. That seems like a good bargain for me. Anyway, they are 5. Elevator installation and repair. This people earn an average salary of $88,000 annually. They basically install, repair, maintain, and fix elevators, escalators, moving walkways, and other lifts. They may work at high heights in elevator shafts, so if you are afraid of heights, check out occupations, 7 to 1. They often work full-time and may be on call 24 hours a day or sometimes work overtime. If interested in this, you typically need a high school diploma or equivalent. Learning how to do the work is through an apprenticeship. Most states require workers to be licensed. But once you get your license, you could operate in 37 states. This job is projected to grow 7% from 2021 to 2029, faster than the average for all occupations. New installation and maintenance of elevators and escalators in stores and residential and commercial buildings is expected to increase demand for workers. Elevator mechanics can sleep soundly year-round, as they need to worry less about employment volatility than other construction occupations. 4. Powerhouse and substation repair. The average salary for this career path is $80,000. They work primarily with electric substations, which send electrical energy into nearby homes, and are also responsible for routine maintenance and updates of substations, as well as emergency major powerline repairs when necessary. They basically make sure you have electricity in your home 24/7. Qualification is a high school diploma or equivalent. But you also need to have done a course in electronics either from a community college or tech school. And you need to start off as an electrician to get some experience first. 3. Commercial pilot. This career offers a wide range of possibilities. You could travel live in exotic hotels and visit dream vacation hubs. All this while receiving an entry $80,000 annually. This could triple as your total flight hours increase. We all at one point in our younger days wished we could be pilots. Getting a pilot license is actually not that hard. If you begin now, you could have it in the next 8 months. The downside, however, is you need to have a relatively large amount of money for training fees, which could range from $5,000 to $20,000. On application, make sure your school is FAA approved. 2. First-line police supervisors. This include captains, patrol sergeants. Their average salary is $80,100. They are also offered other benefits such as a good retirement plan. Sure, it might be dangerous, but only 2% officers ever die in the line of work throughout their career. So the odds are almost equal to an American citizen working an office job. 1. Nuclear power plant operator. The average salary for this is $95,000. That amount, and all you need is a high school diploma and apprentice training, as you earn entry-level $50,000 salary. After apprentice, you will prepare for a licensed exam. Operators basically control nuclear reactors. By monitoring reactors, turbines, generators, and cooling systems, adjusting controls as necessary. They also respond to abnormalities, determine the causes, and take corrective action. We definitely do not want another Chernobyl in American soil.